Big Country is one of our fastest growing brands within our portfolio at Heartland RV, and today I'm really excited. You are going to meet the general manager of Big Country, Mr. Matt Tuffelmeyer. Let's take a look at this brand new, never released floor plan. All right, Matt, thank you so much for taking some time. Whether you are a customer or a dealer, this is a brand new floor plan. So we're going to start here in the back. Matt, take it away.
Yeah, thanks, Will. So this is one of Big Country's newest floor plans. It's the 3703 RK. It's a re-engineered rear kitchen. Then we added a slide, added much more cabinet space, as well as it really opened up the area by adding this big window in the back. So when you come over here to the appliances, you'll notice the residential size oven with a 4-burner cooktop and the more decorative hood hood over the oven. Again, spanning back, you'll see all the cabinetry. You'll come over here to see our residential size refrigerator. This is a 21 cubic foot with water and ice. And as well, with it being in the luxury market, we like to point out the black stainless single basin sink with the high-rise faucet. And let's not forget the solid surface countertop. And now this isn't just in the kitchen area, it spans through the entire coach.
All right, Matt, so up here in the living area, what I like and notice right away is we have slide outs on both the driver's side and the campsite. Here, of course, is where they're going to find the dinette seating for up to 4. I do like the upgraded seating that you do have here in the Big Country. I also love the fact that, again, no carpet. You have that marine grade woven fabric that's going to mitigate against those odors, debris, and even moisture. So if you would, kind of talk about the rest of this floor plan.
Yeah, absolutely. With the opposing slides, you get much more room to entertain or just feel more comfortable in an open space. You have tri-fold sofas that are going to be standard in every Big Country floor plan. You'll notice the blackout shades. We also put a little bit of money into the hardwood valances this year just for the more of aesthetic appeal. Again, standard, you'll have the theater seating with power, massage, and heat. Coming up into the bedroom of the 3703 RK, again, a couple standards I'd like to point out. King bed standard in all floor plans with underbed storage. When you look up here too, you'll notice the designer headboard. We integrated shiplap in there for a higher end aesthetic appeal. Blackout shades still, so you can get it nice and dark in here for sleeping. You'll see the nightstands on both sides of the bed for a phone or a CPAP machine or a glass of water at night. Behind me, you'll see a nice walk-in wardrobe with sliding glass doors for ease of access. And then over here in all Big Country floor plans, we have a washer-dryer prep closet. And you'll notice in this floor plan, we also have the option for the actual washer-dryer unit directly from the factory.
Now, as Matt said, this is already starting to roll out to dealers' lots. So if you want more information of this brand new floor plan, go to heartlandrvs.com.